Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you find the best tools to make healthy living easier and more convenient. Today, we're counting down the 5 best portable juicer mixers for smoothies, shakes, and more. Whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go, these compact powerhouses are here to keep you energized. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started.
Number 5. Rechargeable Mini Fruit Juicer. Introducing the Mini Portable Blender Electric Fruit Juicer Smoothie Orange Fresh Juice Blender, your ultimate companion for on-the-go nutrition and delicious blends anytime, anywhere. With its sleek and compact design, this portable mini juice blender is your go-to solution for whipping up fresh juice, creamy smoothies, nutritious baby food, and even crushing ice for that perfect summer beverage. The versatility of this blender knows no bounds. Whether you're craving a refreshing juice, a protein-packed shake, or a fruity smoothie, this little powerhouse has got you covered. It's wireless and portable, meaning you can take your blending game to new heights without being tethered to a power outlet. Equipped with strong power and 304 steel blades, this blender delivers quick and efficient juicing with every use. Plus, its BPA-free construction ensures peace of mind while you sip on your favorite blends. With a 4,000 milliampere battery and quick charging capability, you can enjoy up to 25 blends on a single charge, making it perfect for your busy lifestyle. Number 4. Rechargeable 600 ml Electric Juicer. Introducing the Rechargeable 600 ml Electric Juicer. Say goodbye to bulky blenders and hello to convenience with upgraded portable blender. With its unique 6-blade design and powerful 20,000 RPM motor, this juicer effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and veggies, ensuring silky, smooth shakes and smoothies every time. With a generous capacity of 20 ounces, this juicer gives you plenty of room to experiment with your favorite ingredients. Plus, its portable design and screw-on lid make it the perfect companion for trips, sports events, and outdoor adventures. Built in 4,000 milliampere battery and Type-C charging port, you can juice on the go without worrying about running out of power. Plus, with its integrated base and waterproof construction, you can blend with confidence, knowing that your juicer is protected from water damage. Whether you're whipping up milkshakes, smoothies, purees, or even baby food, our juicer's one-touch operation and pulse mode make blending a breeze. Just click the power button to start and double-click to switch between modes. It's that simple. Number 3. Mini Portable Blender Fruit Mixers. The Mini Portable Blender Fruit Mixers, your ultimate partner in blending on the go. Introducing the world's first one-handed drinking blender designed for ultimate convenience, the REUP Small Blender. With its genius industrial design, you can enjoy your favorite shakes and smoothies on the go without any hassle. This blender comes packed with ultra-smart safety protection features, including intelligent power off and overload protection. Plus, it's made with food-grade, non-toxic Triton material, ensuring your drinks are always safe and healthy. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, blending your favorite drinks has never been easier. This portable blender is rechargeable via USB, so you can power it up with your laptop, power bank, or even in the car. Thanks to its one-piece molding technology, simply add water, double press for automatic cleaning, and you're good to go. Number 2. MultiFunction Mini Portable Blender. Introducing the MultiFunction Mini Portable Blender. Let's start with power. This portable blender packs a punch with its 150-watt rated motor and 6 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, spinning at a rapid 20,000 rotations per minute. That means in just 40 seconds, you can whip up fresh smoothies, protein shakes, juices, and more. It's completely portable. With a built-in high-capacity battery, you can charge it via USB from your computer or power bank. A full charge gives you up to 25 cups of delicious drinks. Plus, weighing only 1.32 pounds, it's light enough to carry anywhere to work, to the gym, or on your next adventure. With its waterproof design, simply press the button twice to start cleaning. And if the blade gets stuck, just ensure the lid is tight and give it a shake easy peasy. From fully charged to low battery, this blender keeps you informed every step of the way. Plus, with a smart magnet induction feature, it knows exactly when to start and stop blending. Talk about smart technology. Lastly, to ensure your juice is extra delicate, give the bottle a good shake. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the flavor and texture of your drinks. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Portable Juicer Mixer. Let's break down its main features. First up, it's all about speed. With its high-speed DC motor, this juicer can whip up your favorite juice in just 35 seconds. And with a capacity to squeeze 12 cups of juice on a single charge, it's perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Xiaomi Mijia comes with multiple security protections, ensuring a worry-free juicing experience. Plus, its 304 stainless steel cutter head and 4 blades guarantee a smooth and efficient blend every time. This juicer isn't just for juice. Get creative and whip up a variety of delicious drinks like blueberry yogurt, ice orange juice, avocado smoothie, and more. Xiaomi Mijia Portable Juicer Mixer. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the road, it's got your back. If you're ready to take your juicing game to the next level, be sure to click the links in the description to get your hands on one of these amazing juicers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, juicier lifestyle.